So Doogee has finally launched the Doogee V20S. This is one of the few rugged phones with a rear display and an AMOLED panel. And of course, in this video, we'll explore its top features and specs. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dig in. So the Doogee V20S has a really nice design. It is offered in black and orange colorways. The device has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner that is embedded on its power button, and at the back of the phone is a square-shaped camera module, or perhaps rectangular shape, that contains 3 cameras, dual flash, and the rear display. Speaking of rear display, the size is 1.58 inches and the panel is AMOLED. The rear display can be customized or personalized according to your style in any way that you want. There are many things you could use the rear display for. You could use it to accept or reject phone calls. You could use it to check time, check notifications, and of course there are many other things you could use it for. So the primary display is a 6.43-inch AMOLED Full HD Plus punch hole display. Unfortunately, the refresh rate is just 60 Hz. This device is powered by the Dimensity 6020 octa-core processor with a clock speed of 2.2 GHz, and it's built on a 7nm process, and the device utilizes 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. The storage type is UFS 2.2. The RAM can be virtually expanded and the internal storage can be expanded using a microSD card up to 2TB. The device packs a moderate 6000 mAh battery and it supports 33W fast charging. It doesn't support wireless charging. It also doesn't support reverse wired or wireless charging. In the camera department, as mentioned earlier, the device features a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 50MP primary sensor with f1.8 aperture, a 24MP night vision camera, and an 8MP wide-angle lens that can also function as a macro lens. The device's hole punch houses a 20MP front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. This device ships with the Android 13 operating system, and I honestly do not know if this device will be getting the Android 14 update in the future. So other features of this device includes NFC, OTG, Bluetooth 5.2. It is rated IP68 and IP69K, which means it is waterproof, dustproof, shockproof, and of course it is highly resistant to high pressure water jets. The device is also military grade standard 810H certified. So these are some of the top features of the Doogee V20S. I'll make sure to compare this device with other 5G rugged phones. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. And of course, what are your thoughts about this new phone from Doogee? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.